Hello, from the wine room. I am Laila. And this is Mary.
Yes, it's wonderful to see you guys again.
Yes, so we have been so successful presenting to you the spring wines that we decided to continue to do this, and we're going to do short versions every couple of weeks, so we keep introducing new wines to you. Our wine journey today takes us to
Azores, this beautiful archipelago islands off of the coast of Portugal.
There's a group of 9 islands, being the most famous El Pico, which is considered to be, by every winemaking standard, totally insane to try to produce wines in there, because for a series of reasons. The first one is the wind that blows from the beach is extremely hard. The mistral that comes from Africa, the vines cannot be trellised, they have to just sort of take the natural shape lower to the ground. Then they built a little walls around it to kind of protect the vines. So it is totally insane. The wind also blows the soil, so they have to bring soil from the other islands to keep the vines covered. It's totally insane, but having said that, it produces the most unbelievable wines. They're all grown in our famous
basalt soil, some nice volcanic ash, pretty much is what the vines are growing in.
If you look at the vines, you said, no, these are not producing anything, because the soil is literally black. So our first tasting takes us to, it's summertime, or spring at least. You can hear the birds in the background. And so rosé is in season. Actually, rosé should be in season all year round. But anyway, so this is the Azores.
Yes, the Azores. It's by Azores Wine Company, and it is their volcanic rosé. I just got to taste it for the first time, and it is absolutely beautiful. These, gorgeous notes of macerated strawberries. It's almost like a strawberry shortcake in a glass. But the basalt volcanic soil makes it so the finish is so dry and so mineral driven that it's just going to be one of the most delightful rosés of the season.
It is intriguing, it is unique, it's seductive in a way, because it really wakes up your palate after you taste it. To use the term delicious doesn't
cut it.
Doesn't cut it, because it's more than that. It's a really, really unique, seductive is my word for this wine. You could just keep one.
You just keep wanting another sip.
Yeah, you just want another sip. So anyway, we will present more, because there is a red that comes along with it. But when we do our red series of volcanic wines, soils, we'll definitely bring the red version of it. For now,
we have to keep it deliciously Reid's. Cheers.